Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to update your iPhone manually. Start the Settings app. Tap General, and then tap Software Update. Your phone will check to see if there's an update available. If there is, tap Download and install. Wait while the update downloads to your phone. Tap Install.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your iPhone won't update to iOS 14, it might mean that your phone is incompatible or doesn't have enough free memory. You also need to make sure that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery life. You may also need to restart your iPhone and attempt to update again.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You need an internet connection to update your device. The time it takes to download the update varies according to the size of the update and your internet speed. You can use your device normally while downloading the update, and your device will notify you when you can install it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.